Welcome to another interesting episode of English with Altaf. In today's video, we're going to talk about a common problem many English learners face.
That's right. Today we'll discuss why you can understand English movies but still struggle to reply or speak in English. We'll also share some simple tips to help you improve your speaking skills.
Altaf. I think many people are confused. They watch English movies and understand everything, but when it's time to speak or reply in English, they just freeze. Why does this happen?
That's a great question, Ikra. This is actually very normal. Understanding English and speaking English are two different skills. Watching movies helps your listening skills, but speaking is something you need to practice separately.
Yes, I agree. Listening and speaking are connected but still different. For example, I can watch an English drama and enjoy it fully, but if someone asks me a question in English, I get nervous.
Exactly. The main reason is lack of practice. When we watch movies, we are just receiving information. We are not using that information. We need to produce English, not just listen to it.
So, does that mean just watching movies is not enough to speak English?
Yes, watching is helpful, but not enough. Imagine this. You can watch someone drive a car for years, but can you drive a car just by watching?
Of course not. You need to sit in the car and practice driving.
Exactly. Language is the same. You need to open your mouth and start speaking. Watching movies improves your vocabulary, your understanding of sentence structures, and pronunciation. But unless you use those words and structures yourself, you won't become a fluent speaker.
That makes sense. So, what should people do if they understand English but can't speak?
They need to make speaking a part of their daily routine. Let me give a few easy tips. Shadowing. Repeat what the actors say in the movie. Try to copy their tone, accent, and rhythm. Speaking to yourself. Stand in front of a mirror and talk in English. Describe your day, your plans, or your feelings. Record yourself. Make voice notes in English and listen back to them. You'll hear your mistakes and improve with time. Join English speaking groups. Find a partner or join an online group where you can talk in English regularly.
Those are really useful tips. I like the shadowing method. I once tried repeating the dialogues from a movie, and it helped me speak more confidently.
Yes, and it's also fun. If you like a certain actor, try copying their lines. It helps with pronunciation and fluency.
But Altaf, some people say they feel shy or scared to speak in English, especially in front of others. What should they do?
That's a common fear. The first thing to remember is that it's okay to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language. Even native speakers make mistakes. The key is not to stop speaking.
So, confidence is more important than speaking perfectly?
Absolutely. Confidence is the first step. Fluency comes with practice. Don't worry about grammar too much in the beginning. Just try to speak. You'll improve day by day.
That's very encouraging. I remember when I started learning English, I used to hesitate a lot, but now I feel much more comfortable because I kept practicing.
And your English is excellent now, Ikra. So you're a great example for our viewers.
Thank you, but I still make mistakes sometimes.
And that's perfectly fine. Making mistakes means you are learning. So for all our viewers, if you understand English movies but can't reply in English, don't worry. You just need to add speaking practice to your routine.
Let's talk about some simple exercises our viewers can try at home every day.
Sure, here are a few. After watching a movie, try to speak about it in English. What was the story? Who were the main characters? Pause the movie and try to reply as if you are in the scene. What would you say in that situation? Choose 5 new words from the movie and make sentences with them.
That's a very good method. It turns watching movies into an active learning experience, not just for fun, but for speaking practice too.
Yes. Also, write a short summary of the movie in English and then read it out loud. This improves both writing and speaking skills.
Sometimes I also try to think in English. Like instead of saying in my mind, "Mujhe pani chahiye," I think I want water.
That's an excellent tip. Thinking in English is a powerful habit. It helps you become more fluent because you reduce the time it takes to translate in your head.
So, Altaf, what if someone doesn't have a partner to practice with?
No problem. They can speak to themselves, as I mentioned earlier, or they can use voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant in English. They can also talk to AI chatbots or record short videos of themselves speaking and review them later.
These are very practical ideas. I hope our viewers will try at least one of these starting today.
Yes, and the important thing is to be regular. Even 10 minutes of speaking practice every day can make a big difference over time.
Altaf, I have one more question. How long does it take to start speaking fluently?
That depends on the person and how much they practice. Some people improve in a few months while others take longer. But the key is consistency and not giving up.
So viewers should focus more on the process, not just the result?
Exactly. Enjoy the journey. Make it fun. Speak, make mistakes, laugh at your mistakes, and keep improving.
Thank you, Altaf. This was a very helpful and motivating discussion.
My pleasure. I hope our viewers now understand why they can understand English movies but still struggle to reply, and more importantly, what they can do to fix that.
Let's now quickly repeat what we learned today. Summary.
We learned that understanding English and speaking English are 2 different skills. Watching movies helps your listening, but to speak fluently, you need to practice speaking.
We also shared simple methods like shadowing, speaking to yourself, recording your voice, joining speaking groups, and thinking in English.
We explained how confidence is more important than perfection, and we encouraged you to speak without fear of making mistakes.
So don't just watch English movies. Speak English every day. Make it a part of your life.
Thank you for watching this video on English with Altaf. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
And keep practicing because the more you speak, the better you'll get. See you in the next video.
Goodbye and happy learning.